Hey, my darlings, we are on chapter or unit 7, lesson 16, round to the nearest tenth. The number line below shows one whole divided into tenths. So the whole, and it's broken up into tenths. But you gotta remember, between 8 tenths and 9 tenths, there's 9 little markers. 10 would be the whole, which would be move it up to the next tenth. So what decimal tenth is marked by point A? Well, what's marked by point A? What decimal tenth? It'd be 3 tenths. Point B is between 2 decimal tenths. To which tenth is it nearest? So B is between 5 tenths and 6 tenths. Which one is it closer to? 5 tenths is correct. Point C is also between 2 decimal tenths. The space between these tenths have been divided into hundreds. Which decimal hundreds are between 8 tenths and 9 tenths? So it wants you to actually write a lot. So this one right here would be 81 hundredths. And then the next one is 82. The next one is 83, and it's going to keep going up. 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and then it'd be 90, which is the 9 tenths. What decimal hundredth is marked by point C? What decimal hundredth is marked by point C? So it's asking which one is it on. So that's 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87 hundredths. To which tenth is this hundredth nearest? So is it closer to 8 tenths or 9 tenths? 9 tenths is correct.
I got it right.
Oh my gosh, Wesley, stop interrupting. The number line below shows one whole divided into hundreds. Oopta. A little more. What hundredth is marked by point D? By point D. So this is 4 tenths, 41 hundredths, 42 hundredths, 43 hundredths, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 hundredths. Round this hundredth to the nearest tenth. Now remember when we're rounding the nearest tenth. So what we need to do is underline the tenth spot, that's the tenth spot, and circle the number immediately after. If this number is 5 or greater, it makes this number go up. If it's 4 or less, it stays the same. Well, this number is greater than 5, so it's going to make the 4 change into a 5 tenths. When you want to round a number that is exactly halfway between 2 rounding units, round up to the next greater number. What number is marked by point E? So 71 hundredths, 72 hundredths, 73 hundredths, 74 hundredths, 75 hundredths.
76, 77, 78.
Wesley, knock it off. Round this number to the nearest tenth. So I taught you to, it wants a tenth, so underline it, circle the number after. That's 5 is going to make it go up, so it's rounding this up to an 8. 8 tenths. Flip to the next page, my darlings. I want you right now, wait to do it until I'm done, but I'm going to have you work on this part till number 11 on your own. But first I want to work on this, a couple random ones on here, and I'm going to have you do the whole sheet, and I'm going to show you the answers to see if you can't get it. So, round to the nearest tenth. Every number, so the round is nearest tenth. So, let's start here. This is a tenth. We're going to look at the number after. That number is smaller, so it's going to make it stay the same. You can write it like this, or you can write it like that. So now, let's go to number 3. I'm sorry, 14, not 3. 14. So, the tenth is right here. The number after it is a 6. That's going to greater than 5, so it's going to make it go up. So everything before you still write, but everything after you just leave alone. So the 3 stays. The 4 is going to go up to a 5. So you have 3 and 5/10. So now we're going to look at number 16. 10th spot is right here. You're going to circle the 8. The 8 makes it go up to a 2 because it's greater than 5. So I have 4 and 2/10. We do not write anything after that place value. Don't write any of the numbers after the 10th spot. So I want you to do the whole page right now. So I want you to pause it and do the entire page and then check to see if you got it correct.
Ow.
All right, here are the answers. Take a minute, check it, make sure you're doing well. And other than that, I hope you have a wonderful day, kiddos. Miss you and love you.